We begin to paint the body, cutting out from this sheet the masking pieces to put inside the body. Well sharpened scissor, this is very good. Following as well as you can the lines. This line is you have to cut in order to fold the masking tape in the right position. Cut a little portion of the protection, then put it here on quite precisely. So after you have cut a little portion of the protection paper, you use this part to go into the car and check the right position of the masking tape. Hold that here and then down here. You have to peel out the remaining paper. By this way, no air under the masking tape. Then you have to do this to avoid that the paint goes under. Well, let's go with the other. Windows are done. Now this is more difficult. Done. Now we have to paint. PS1. The first spray is just a very soft and transparent skin. You see? Now let it dry for a few hours, then second one. Before applying stickers, we have to make the hole for mounting the rear aileron appendix. To mount this, and front to mount this. In front I have made this sign so I can go without controlling every 2 or 3 turns. On the rear, 6 millimeters too. Yes. Okay, and now the mirrors. Not too large this hole, because I want to force the mirror inside so it doesn't move, it doesn't it goes down and turns while the car is running. Now we have to paint black here. As I'm not Giotto, it's better to mask. In black the front of the car, and now we have to start to put the stickers. Where do you want to begin? I think from the front. Let's start from the grill. Then we take away a little piece of protection of paper support. And we have to put it here. I think by here. Then a little trick, it's to burn the tension and so on, slowly and precisely.